Hello, today we are looking at 9 best WordPress food blog themes. All these themes mentioned are picked by experts based on the rating, high number of sales, and awesome features. Number 9. Basipe. Basipe is a fantastic WordPress theme that allows you to easily create a stunning and personalized food blog. With its drag-and-drop technology, you can effortlessly customize your website to suit your unique style and preferences. The theme features a variety of recipe-focused elements, including in-depth recipe layouts and small widgets to give your blog a professional look. Number 8. Pivot. Pivot is a clean and elegant food recipe blog WordPress theme that offers a simple admin panel, allowing users to easily customize their website's appearance and functionality without any coding required. It comes with a powerful combination of Elementor and WooCommerce plugins, enabling users to create stunning layouts and see real-time changes as they make them. Number 7. Good Food. Good Food is a fantastic WordPress theme that is perfect for creating cooking blogs and recipe magazines. Its well-designed blog layout will showcase your delicious recipes and stunning food photography in a visually appealing way. With the Good Food theme, you have the flexibility to create both a food blog and a food magazine website. Number 4. Lahana. Lahana is a stunning and user-friendly WordPress food blog theme designed specifically for food bloggers. With its easy-to-use admin panel, you have complete control over customizing your website to your liking. From changing colors and fonts to uploading your own logo, you can personalize every aspect of your site. Number 3. TinySalt. TinySalt is the perfect food blogger theme for bloggers, chefs, and small businesses. With over 12 homepage demos and more than 300 customization options, this theme is packed with features. Additionally, it is compatible with popular WordPress plugins such as WooCommerce and Contact Form 7, giving you even more flexibility to create the perfect website. Whether you're showcasing your culinary creations through videos or photos, TinySalt has you covered. Number 2. Easy Meals. Easy Meals is a versatile WordPress theme that caters to food bloggers and recipe enthusiasts. With its user-friendly interface and innovative features, it allows you to create a personalized food blog and even a forum where you can freely share your culinary creations. Number 1. CheerUp. CheerUp is a WordPress theme that allows you to create a stunning website with a luxurious design, perfect for magazines, blogs, and websites. It offers 14 pre-designed layouts that you can choose from to make your website unique. This theme is specifically designed for blogs, simple magazines, and other online publications. Finally, thanks for watching this collection of the best WordPress themes. If you have any experience with these themes, leave me a comment below, and if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, share and subscribe to this channel. I will see you all in the next video, guys. Take care.